What do a plastic bottle, a car tire, and your workout clothes have in common? They're all made from polymers. But what exactly are polymers? And how do they shape our everyday lives? Polymers are essentially long chains of repeating units called monomers. Imagine a chain made up of small links, where each link is a monomer. When these links connect, they form a polymer. Take polyethylene, used in plastic bags. It's made of thousands of ethylene monomers connected in a long, flexible chain. Over 400 million metric tons of plastics, which are polymers, are produced each year globally. Polymers are everywhere because they can be engineered to have a vast range of properties. They can be hard and durable, like the plastics in helmets, or stretchy and flexible, like the fabrics in yoga pants. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about polymers in our upcoming videos. Don't miss out.